7 habits that are quietly aging you, and the elegant fix for each. There is a moment every woman over 50 knows. You catch your reflection, and for a second, you don't recognize her. Not because you've lost your fire, because something you're wearing has been quietly hiding it. Sister, you were never meant to fade. Here are 7 small habits doing that to you right now, and exactly how to reverse every one of them. Habit 1. Hiding inside your clothes. The first habit is wearing everything oversized. Boxy blazers, shapeless tunics, sweaters 3 sizes too generous. I understand exactly why this happens. Somewhere along the way, a lot of us were told that covering up was the safe choice, the modest choice, the forgiving choice. But here is the truth nobody says out loud. Oversized clothing doesn't hide your body. It hides you. Your shoulders disappear. Your waist disappears. And with them, so does your presence. Here's your gem, and I want you to remember it. Fitted does not mean tight. Fitted means tailored, clothing that simply follows the lines you already have. A blazer that defines your waist. Trousers that skim instead of balloon. A dress with a little structure at the shoulder. That's the entire secret behind flattering outfits for women over 50, and it costs you nothing but a little courage in the fitting room. So here's your homework, gently given. Open your closet tonight. Find one boxy, shapeless piece, and either belt it, tailor it, or retire it. Tailored is timeless. Baggy is what ages you. Choose timeless. Habit 2. Buttoning yourself into the past. Now, let's talk about what's happening right under your chin, because the second habit is sneaky. It's buttoning every blouse, every jacket, every shirt all the way to the top. It feels modest. It feels proper. But visually, it does the opposite of what you want. A closed neckline shortens your neck and pulls every eye straight to the jaw and chin, exactly the area most of us would rather soften, not spotlight. Here's the shift. Open that neckline just slightly. A soft V, an unbuttoned collar with a camisole underneath, a gentle scoop. Suddenly your neck elongates, your collarbones catch the light, and the whole look exhales. This has nothing to do with showing skin, and everything to do with showing confidence. Watch the women you admire most in their 50s, 60s, and beyond. Rarely, if ever, are they buttoned to the chin. Try it tonight. Take one blouse, button it all the way up, then open the top 2 buttons and look again. One version looks stern. The other looks like a woman who knows exactly who she is. A couple of inches of fabric is the entire difference between dated and modern. Habit 3. Living in the beige trap. The third habit is one I call the beige trap, and I see women fall into it constantly. Beige pants, a beige sweater, beige shoes, maybe a beige coat over the top, until the whole outfit blends into one flat, sleepy note. Neutrals can be beautiful, but an entire outfit with nothing to break it up doesn't read as elegant. It reads as invisible. Here's the truth about beige. It doesn't warm your complexion, it drains it. And for skin that's already softened and richened with age, an all-neutral palette can leave you looking tired before you've even said a word. Nobody has ever told a woman that beige made her glow. So don't ban beige, just refuse to wear it alone. Add one piece of contrast near your face. A scarf in emerald or red. Bold earrings. A rich lipstick. A crisp white or black camisole layered underneath. Color is energy, and the moment you bring it close to your face, you look present again. Beige as a foundation, contrast as your signature. That's the elegant balance. Habit 4. Trading elegance for comfort at your feet. Now let's talk about your shoes, because nothing quietly ages an outfit faster. The fourth habit is reaching for heavy, clunky, orthopedic-looking shoes, and I understand exactly why. Comfort stops being optional after 50. But here's what nobody tells you. Comfort and elegance were never actually opposites. Thick soles and bulky straps shorten your legs, weigh down your whole silhouette, and undo even the most beautifully tailored outfit. The fix is choosing shoes that are sleek and supportive, not sleek or supportive. A pointed flat that elongates the leg. A streamlined leather sneaker. A low-heeled ankle boot with a slim line. These give you the stability you need without ever whispering that you've given up. Watch your posture the next time you put on a shoe like that. It changes how you walk into a room, not just how you look standing still. Say no to clunky. Say yes to chic comfort. Your feet deserve support, and so does your confidence. Habit 5. Wearing prints stuck in another decade. The fifth habit hides in your closet in plain sight. Tiny, busy florals. Fussy paisleys. Prints that feel more like inherited curtains than modern fashion. Prints themselves are never the problem. It's outdated prints, especially in muddy browns and beiges, that overwhelm your features and quietly date the entire look. Here's your refresh. Choose prints that are clean and confident. Stripes. Polka dots. Bold geometric shapes, ideally with a crisp white mixed in. If florals are your love language, choose them large, bold, and vivid, never small and faded. A sharp black and white floral says chic. A muddy, tiny floral says stuck. Here's a simple test. If you wouldn't find it in a boutique today, it belongs in your memory, not your closet. Habit 6. Letting everything hang. The sixth habit is quiet, but it undoes outfits every single day. Leaving every top untucked, letting it hang shapelessly over your pants or skirt. Most women do this thinking it hides the midsection. In reality, it does the opposite. It erases your waist entirely and makes the whole silhouette look boxy and undefined. The fix takes 10 seconds. A front tuck, just the front portion of your blouse, instantly creates a waistline and lengthens your legs. A full tuck with a slim belt goes even further, giving you shape and polish in one move. This one habit alone is behind so many of the flattering outfit transformations women over 50 swear by. Try it once and you'll understand why. Habit 7. Holding on to a hairstyle from another era. And now the final habit, and it has nothing to do with clothing at all. It's holding on to a hairstyle that hasn't changed in 20 years. I understand the instinct. A style that once felt like you becomes part of your identity, and letting go feels like losing something. But as our faces soften and change, the cut that flattered you decades ago may no longer be framing you the way it once did. The fix isn't drastic. It's a refresh. A few inches off. Soft layering around the face. A shoulder-length bob with gentle movement. And if your hair has gone silver or gray, lean into it rather than fight it. Silver hair, worn with the right cut and a little shine, is one of the most striking looks in mature natural hair styling today. Think of your hair as the frame around your most important feature, your face. A tired frame dims even the most elegant outfit. A refreshed one lifts everything. Coming home to yourself. So there they are. 7 small habits and 7 small, elegant shifts. Tailored instead of hidden. Open instead of buttoned to the chin. Contrast instead of head-to-toe beige. Chic instead of clunky. Modern prints instead of tired ones. A tuck instead of letting everything hang. And a hairstyle that finally matches the woman you are now, not the one you were 30 years ago. None of this was ever about erasing your age. It was about honoring it out loud in the way you dress and carry yourself every single day. Aging gracefully was never about disappearing quietly. It was always about walking in fully in color, in shape, in confidence. If even one of these habits felt a little too familiar, I'd love to hear which one in the comments. And if this found you at the right moment, consider staying close. Elegant Style 50+ is exactly where women like you come to remember just how radiant this chapter is meant to be. Until next time, stand tall, sister. The world has been waiting to see you.